Hello student, welcome back. Myself Joshi sir. Today onwards we are going to discuss the basics of organic chemistry which is related to 11th as well as 12th. See, according to the syllabus of 11th and 12th, according to JEE NEET, we have few important topics, that is introduction of organic chemistry, classification or characteristics of organic compound, classification and nomenclature of organic compound, isomer, then the mechanism, and then we start alkane, alkene, alkyne from 11th, and alkyl halide, alcohol, phenol, ether, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, such chapters from the 12th. So this content is commonly for the 11th as well as 12th. Okay, so I am directly starting the basics of organic chemistry for 11th and 12th, that is nomenclature. Basically, see, in the nomenclature of organic compound, what is meant by organic compound? The compound which contain carbon and its compound is called as organic compound. There are two ways classification for organic compound. Number one, depending upon structure, and second, depending upon functional group. See, depending upon the structure, we have two types of organic compound. Acyclic, that is open chain, and second is a cyclic, which is also called as ring. Acyclic is straight chain or branching, where cyclic, that is the all carbons link with each other. The cyclic is again of two types, homocyclic, which is also called as carbocyclic, and another is the heterocyclic. Okay, now what is carbocyclic or homocyclic? The ring possesses all carbon. And what is heterocyclic? One atom other than carbon is present in that ring. Okay, now this homocyclic is of two types, aromatic, non-aromatic. Non-aromatic itself called as alicyclic, and aromatic is of two types, that is benzenoid and non-benzenoid. This classification of organic compound depending upon structure, it can be discussed later on. Now, next, the classification based on the functional group. This is our main. On the basis of that, we are going to start our nomenclature part. Classification based on the functional group. A atom or group of atom present in a molecule that gives the molecule its characteristic. Okay, gives characteristic, or we can say chemical properties, that is called as functional group. Means the group which decided the functionality of the compound, that is called as functional group. सपोज एक साधं उदाहरण आपण डिस्कस करतोय की एखादा माणूस आपल्या शेजारी येऊन बसलाय ट्रॅव्हलिंग मध्ये, सपोज कुठे मार्केटमध्ये थांबलाय बाजूला, त्याच्याकडून एक स्पेसिफिक स्मेल येतोय. आपण लगेच आयडेंटिफाय करतोय ही इज अल्कोहोलिक, त्यांनी अल्कोहोल घेतलंय. Okay, means that alcohol group on the basis of smell decided their functionality, so we can call functional group. Okay, and we have number of functional groups, near about 10 to 20 functional groups are present. Okay, now we are going to start just alkane from that. See, alkane, it is represented by RH. Okay, and it is saturated compound, it is also called as paraffin. In that alkane, alk is nothing but the total number of carbon, where ane, that is carbon carbon single bond, and this is the functional group. Okay, the general formula for alkane is CnH2n plus 2, where n is the number of carbon. लक्षात घ्या, in the nomenclature of alkane, we use two types of nomenclature system. Number one, common name, it is also considered as trivial, and number two, IUPAC. Number one is the common or trivial. Okay, ज्यामध्ये आपण काय सांगतोय RH, that is alkyl group R, and H is the hydride. Second is the IUPAC, International Union of Pure Applied Chemistry. According to IUPAC, त्यामध्ये एक रूल आहे सिंपल. we use prefix plus word root plus ANE. हे आपल्याला कळेल पुढे what is this. Okay, see, word root means total number of carbon present in that straight chain. ANE, carbon carbon single bond, and if any carbon not means other than straight chain, any carbon other than straight chain or word root is called as prefix. Okay, or substituent. Okay, see, rules for nomenclature of alkene. त्यामध्ये first rule, select the longest carbon chain, that is parent chain. Number two, the alkyl group which is not a part of long chain name as branched, that is called as prefix. And the number of carbon from which carbon branching is nearer, that carbon have lowest priority. If more than one branching is present, then it is called as di for 2 carbon, tri, tetra, and if 5 branches are present, then it is considered as penta. If different types of alkyl group are present in the branching, then it is right depending upon their alphabetical sequence. Means one possesses methyl and another is ethyl, so ethyl come first, then methyl, because ABCD wise. Okay, by using this we can easily give the nomenclature of the alkane. So one of the important thing, see, the number of carbon and their root word. If one carbon, meth, suppose single bond, ANE, methane. If two carbon is present, then it is called as eth. आणि त्यांच्यामध्ये सिंगल बॉन्ड असेल तर इथ ANE, इथेन. डबल बॉन्ड असेल तर इथ ENE. ट्रिपल बॉन्ड असेल तर इथ YNE, दॅट इज इथाइन, असे त्यांचे नॉमेनक्लेचर. 3 कार्बन प्रोप, 4 कार्बन ब्यूट, 5 कार्बन पेंट, 6 कार्बन हेक्स, 7 कार्बन हेप्ट, 8 कार्बन ऑक्ट, 9 कार्बन नोन, and 10 कार्बन डेक. Where 11 carbon undec, 12 carbon dodec, 13 carbon tridec, 14 carbon tetradec, 15 carbon pentadec, 16 carbon hexadec, 20 carbon 17 म्हणजे काय येणार मग हेप्टाडेक, 18 ऑक्टाडेक, 19 नोनाडेक, 20 आयकोसेन. आयकोस सिंगल बॉन्ड असेल तर ए, दॅट इज आयकोसेन. मग 21 असेल तर परत अनआयकोसे, आयकोस. 22 doicos, in that C30 triacont, 40 tetracont आणि 50 असेल तर पेंटाकॉन्ट. यानुसार आपण त्यांचे जस्ट नंबर ऑफ कार्बन वर्ड रूट नुसार ते डिफाईन करतो. ओके, बाय युझिंग दिस सिम्पल कन्सेप्ट आपण त्या ठिकाणी बेसिक नॉमेनक्लेचर डिस्कस करतोय. एक 2-3 लेक्चर मध्ये आपण हे परफेक्ट करूया. सायमल्टेनियसली आयसोमर्स पण होईल. Just I draw 3 content: molecular formula, structural formula, and the nomenclature according to IUPAC. So what is general formula for alkane? It is CnH2n plus 2. CnH2n plus 2. If we put n is equal to 1, then what is the molecular formula? CH4. Okay. What is the valency of carbon? 4. So carbon must possess 4 bond. In this structure, see, carbon, the valency of carbon satisfied with the help of 4 hydrogen, which is called as methane. Second is C2H6, that is 2 carbon, 6 hydrogen. 2 carbon means eth, which is called as eth, ANE. Suppose we have C3, n is equal to 3, then the molecular formula C3H8. These 3 carbon arranged in a straight chain. The remaining valency is satisfied with the help of hydrogen. So as it possesses 3 carbon, so name is prop ANE because of all single bond. If we use n is equal to 4, then the molecular formula is C4H10. We get 2 structure. In the first structure, the 4 carbon in a chain, and in the second structure, 3 carbon in a chain and 1 carbon is in a branching. Okay, so in the first structure, 4 carbon in a chain, So 4 carbon but, and they possess single bond, so it is called as ANE, that is butane. In another structure, 3 carbon in a straight chain and 1 carbon in a branching. See, give numbering: carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3. Second carbon possesses CH3 at a branching position, that CH3 not included in a straight chain, so it is called as methyl. CH3 means methyl. It is at the second position, so it is called as 2-methyl, and remaining 3 carbon in a chain is considered as propane. Okay, simultaneously see, number of carbon 1, 2 and number of carbon 3 possess no isomer, but if number of carbon is 4, then the structure, they possess 2 isomer. Now what is isomer? The compound possess same molecular formula with different structural formula is called as isomer. मग या ठिकाणी ब्युटेन आणि 2-मिथिल प्रोपेन हे दोन आयसोमर्स आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी मिळतात. ओके. Simultaneously, in the next few lectures, we have to study the bond line formula, condense formula, as well as their common names. In coming videos, coming lectures, I will explain it. Okay. Now, today's thank you. This is our starting of the organic compound. I repeat, this is applicable for both 11th and 12th. For 12th student, it is over in the 11th class, but this is your revision, which helpful for nomenclature of the functional group. So enjoy the study. Thank you.